Okay. Damn, starting stream is always kinda hard. I don't know the right words to use when beginning. Yeah, I'm just doing my sound check and then. Okay. Yeah, I really gotta figure out the way to make the start of the stream more enjoyable. I think would be a good word. Yeah, I mean, I think it comes with experience. That's something that you just have to learn. Um, Today we have a lot of stuff to do in this map. First of all, I want to mostly finish up the middle part of the forest. Also, just note, I might have to go for like 5 minutes in shortly. Just so you know, there might be a small break. Yeah, but plan for the today is finish most of the middle part of the forest, and then see what we can do. First of all, last stream I announced that I wanted to start posting updates on YouTube when I go live. So that's actually the first thing I'm going to do now. And I want to have a nice screenshot to upload, because I know that simple text community posts usually don't do so well. So give me some time. Also, what a banger to start the stream. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should start getting some more scenes into Blender, I say, into OBS for like starting stream screens and stuff, so that you don't have to look at the blank screen all the time. Okay. Okay, now for my Twitch link, I actually don't have that copy and pastable. So yeah, it's first time, so obviously it's going to take some more time. Just have to like figure out everything and stuff, you know. uh, Damn, that's my first community post in 8 months. Okay, that seems good. So, time to turn off shaders, because it's not nice to build stuff while having shaders on, simply because it makes it harder to actually see what you're doing. So last time I was kind of stuck with this area because I didn't know what else to add. I was thinking just a little bit off stream, and I've come up with a simple plan. Add fences around all of the outer layers of the middle forest. This is just a little prototype that I came up with, like right before stream. And I think I'm actually just going to copy and paste this around now, and then hopefully figure out what else I could add. So this place right here, this always looked perfect for a fence like that, in my opinion. It was also the first first area that I thought of adding this. Just have to kind of flatten out the area a little bit. Oh wait, that's the tree. Let me put a filter on. Not leaves. And it replaced everything. Thanks. Oh wait, I see how it is. But can I not add multiple? Oh damn, it seems like it. Okay. Time to put two of those into one end. And now it should completely ignore the tree. Except, of course, the fences inside the tree. Didn't consider them right now. Also, this is still too high. Y limit of 4 seems good. Then, okay, I'm actually going to do the grass placement by hand right now, because it's quicker. Okay. Right, so the fence was 3 high wood pillar on both sides. Let me actually put this one further out. Then 2 layers of slabs like this, and I just connect them using the smear function from Axiom, because it creates a perfectly straight line with whatever you have selected. Now just for depth, I have added some trapdoors on the side and a fence at the top of the pillar, like that. And of course, right now it's kind of lonely in this place, but I'm going to add more of those alongside all of the edges. Some of them might be broken. Some of them might look a little different. I don't know. Yeah, but I was thinking maybe some remains of whoever lived in this village before it was abandoned. Also, wait, now that I'm thinking about it, or that I see it better, let me just connect part of the end of the fence to the terrain. Yeah, just so it looks a little bit more full. Okay, and I don't really have a measurement as to how far apart the logs have to be from each other. I'm just going to place them however I feel right. Also, yeah, wait, it's not nice having them right on the edge like this. So I'm going to raise the floor a bit. Wait, did the grass just regrow? Since when does that happen? Yeah. Just flattening the area a little bit. Some more by hand. And this actually looks decent. Yeah, then just I just kind of go by how it feels. This feels right. And of course height differences also exist. So but that actually shouldn't be a problem because Axiom can handle it. It can't. Well, that's what I am here for. Placing them by hand. Okay, but this actually doesn't look so nice. So maybe try to stay on the same height. Yeah, seems better, to be honest. Also, there are a lot of floating dirt blocks, which is kind of... Oh wait, did my internet just die? Oh, please, no. Give me a moment. Okay, it seems like it was just my phone Wi-Fi. Okay, that's alright. That would have been really bad timing. Okay. Yeah, I just saw my chat loading again on phone. It was saying connecting to chat. Okay, and it doesn't need to look perfect, of course. It's just a little filler detail that could add to the world building. But yeah, it kind of makes the area feel like it has been lived in at some point. Only thing missing now would be maybe some places to keep animals, if they have animals in the village. Right now, there doesn't seem to be any source of food that the village could have lived from. No fields, no farms. So that obviously also needs to be added at some point. Would be kind of lazy to say that the village only ate fish from the sea. So actually I've completely forgotten about their supply of food and stuff up to this point. I don't know. I mean, I could add some more wheat fields. That would actually be nice, I think. Question is just where would they fit? Because it's kind of full everywhere. I could replace the part near the entrance to the village. But that's not enough to feed an entire village. Oh damn, I should have thought of this much earlier. That's on me. Okay. The fence looks nice. Oh wait, maybe looking at it from the side, kind of feels like some more details could work, right? Like some extra colors. Jungle wood actually doesn't look too good on this, but I'm sure I can find something. Wait. Mud bricks, maybe? Not sure. Doesn't look like wood enough. I think oak would be a little too light at this point. Yeah, it is. And dark oak would be too dark, I think. Maybe not. Kind of fits. Not sure though. Okay, but dark oak definitely is the best one so far. I can keep it this way and then just add to it later if I feel like it. I mean, you could say that the darker spots on the fence are where, I don't know, wet from rain started to be, or what is it called? When something is wet and starts to dissolve. Yeah, I don't know, that that one. I'm not quite satisfied with this. Also, now that I've started to think about it, I really should have considered food sources earlier. This is not great to start now, where the area is already completely built. I could carve out part of this mountain and then just place wheat all across the entire village. But I would like to, I would rather have a dedicated area for that stuff like that. Or do we just say, okay, nobody's going to notice anyway, so why even bother? I mean, someone is going to notice, but does it really, like, is it really that important? Okay, stuff for later. Now I have to build before I start wasting even more time. Okay, obviously this part needs a fence. And while building, I might as well just make the cliff a little bit more straight down. Makes it easier to place fences because of space and stuff. Also, how do I deal with this tree? Do I just let a gap between the fence? I think it would look better that way. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay. Just wanted to check YouTube real quick. Also, regarding the video that I announced, or the videos, I'm really not doing much work on them at all. I want to get them out, but yeah, it's kind of hard to get myself to actually work on stuff. That's also why I started streaming in the first place, so I would start working on stuff. So yeah, videos might take a little longer than expected. And I know that's completely on me. And streams start piling up on my hard drive, taking a lot of space. I should really get to work. But you know, it's just, it takes time to make videos, of course. And yeah, that's just, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I guess you could call it lazy, even though I don't like using that word. Because lazy is just a cheap excuse to say that you couldn't be bothered to do something. I mean, I have started doing the video, but yeah, it's going to take some more time than expected. Hello, Yoli, welcome back. I've started placing some fences as decoration. I think it fits the area well. Just like because people have lived here, so it would only make sense that I would make cliffs like this more safe. That was what I was thinking at least. Yeah. Wie geht's is good. Or was geht. Like instead of V, you use was, which would be WAS. That's also how a lot of German people like to use or say it. Okay, the fence is nice. Not sure if the other side needs one. Maybe a little more simpler design. Maybe just a normal. Oh wait, I have an idea. Just one high. And then you could go ahead and place them like this. Oh, wait, but this would be hard with curves, right? Damn, I was struggling to pronounce that word. Or would it work like that? Maybe? I need one free space so I can click on the. I don't know what you mean by Krug. Yeah, I don't know that word. At least in this context, it would make no sense. Okay, those fence gates obviously don't work at this point. Oh, it's a Klug with an L instead of an R. But that's an interesting question. Uh, I don't know how to answer the question of are you smart? Because from my personal view, of course, I am, but I think it always depends on what topic it is that you're talking about. I would say in terms of, like, for example, building stuff in Minecraft. Yeah. In terms of, yeah, I don't know. There are obviously things that I'm not good at. Yeah, I'm kind of struggling with that question. Oops. Yeah, I think maybe this does look kind of nice. I could also use it for gameplay. Like I was thinking maybe adding some carts, like old wagons. I don't know what the word is or how to pronounce it better. I've actually never built stuff like this, so this is a new experience for me. I know a lot of people like to use, where is it? The composter. Also barrels. Oh, okay, like this. No, this is obviously not quite done. I've never built these things, so this is really trial and error right now. I know that oak trapdoors are usually used for wheels. Okay, this doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Composter instead? Yeah, I might look up some designs later, but for now it's nice to have something to fill the area with. Anyways, so yeah, maybe if there's already a wagon like this, some damn it, sometimes my voice just gives up. Yeah, still doesn't really change that I don't know how to properly answer that. But I get what you mean. It's just not a question that I was prepared for. Okay, and if we already have a card here, why not just add a path that the villagers might have taken? Could also use gravel or some blocks like that. I also saw a lot of people use or build paths purely out of mossy cobblestone. I could try that out. If only there wasn't so much grass everywhere. Oh, well, yeah, I mean, I get that. But I mean, now you know it's with an L instead of an R. But of course, you're always welcome to just test out new words here. Does this look nice? I don't think it really fits the area, to be honest. Also, why does it flicker like that? I get that it does this on blocks that I'm currently looking at, but why do other blocks flicker? That's kind of weird. I think it's also chunk-based, right? Oh no, it's not. Okay, I have no idea. Yeah, I'm just kind of trying out stuff right now. This is not a nice path to take a card on. But I guess it's the best that the villagers had at this point. Also, the path doesn't need to lead to the village, like the whole way. It's okay if it's just a little bit like this. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, VPNs also often need a lot more internet. Always depends on your connection, but I get that. It's also the sound or chat only mode on Twitch is really nice. Like every time I watch something on Twitch, or like I want something in the background just to listen to as white noise, I always turn on sound only. Really, really nice feature. Also, I'm not sure how far I want the fence to go. Maybe this is the end for now. Oops, that was the wrong button. Yeah, but it does make the area look a little bit more lived in. On top of hills like this, I could also maybe add some small highlights. Maybe. Uh, oh, okay, that's good. But yeah, Twitch tends to take a lot of connection. Loading a full video live. I mean, I'm not sure what Twitch's video decoder is. Okay, I should have really prepared more off stream. The only thing I came up with is this fence. And now I'm kind of lost again. That was really quick. Okay, but still won't stop me from making progress. So this entire path upwards to the top part of the forest needs a complete upgrade, because this obviously looks not great. You can really see that it was just carved out of the mountain. And now's the time where I have to go for a few minutes. I'll be back in like maybe 5 minutes. So yeah, give me some time. Okay. Here I am today, again. Not today. That was 2 minutes too long. But seeing it as the sound problems tend to start with coming back after a break, let me just do a quick sound check. As I have thought, sound problems are back. So, how do we fix it? That's the big question. Because I genuinely have no idea what causes the problem. I could try... Give me a moment. Yeah. Hello, test. Okay, I've unplugged my microphone and plugged it back in. Let's see if that worked. No, it just made it worse. Oh no. Okay, what have I just unplugged? Okay, it was a different cable. Oh wait, no, my PC cable, my microphone cable is on the back of the PC. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's bad, but needs to be done right now. Sorry about it. Okay. Maybe this has done something. Nope, it has not. Okay, at this point I think it has to do with my... No, it's because of me. At this point I think it has something to do with my filters on OBS. Let me just... I have noise cancelling on and I would like to keep it on because otherwise the sound would probably be completely unbearable. Oh, damn. Okay, I'll take it off for a moment. See how it sounds. Oh yeah, I don't think this is great. Oh, this is so bad. Uh, okay. Yeah, I need to fix this. I don't know what causes it. And oh, one moment again. Okay. Um, uh, I have no idea why the sound happens. I really don't know. And I'm so sorry. It's okay. I've changed the noise suppression settings. It's worse. Okay. But it doesn't sound. I mean, it really sounds like my microphone is broken. Um, Let me just add all the filters that I can find. Oh, so many settings. I have no idea what all this stuff does. NVIDIA RTX sound. How do I turn it on? Could you tell me? Because I don't know if I have it. I have the control panel and GeForce Experience if I need any of those. Yeah, I might need to get a new microphone. Um, I don't see any sound related stuff in NVIDIA's control panel. Oh yeah, no, I can't use it because I don't have an RTX graphics card. Yeah, that wouldn't work. Yeah, as I said, my PC isn't great. But what do we do now? I definitely don't want to keep going with sound like this. But ending stream now would also be bad. Mm, yeah, but the problem is that it happens often at this point. And if it happens now, it will happen again next stream. And also the streams get uploaded to YouTube, so people who watch it afterwards will hear all this. Oh, this is so bad. Yeah, this is really annoying. I do need to buy a new one, but I really don't have the money for that right now. I also don't have a spare microphone, so I can't really switch. Why can't I just use crisp on Discord? Why don't I have a crisp option on OBS? But I can add an equalizer. Oh, it looks. Oh no. This won't help. No, I actually don't have any microphone related software on my PC. It has worked for years like this, but I guess Yeah, I just did. I just did. And it doesn't seem to be wrong. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm completely unable to do anything right now. And I'm so sorry for this. I really wanted to get stuff done today. But I don't know what to do. Yeah, Crisp isn't free. But you say it... Wait, let me just look. Let me just look it up. Get Crisp for free? Or is it... Yeah, okay, 7-day access. Oh no, to paid features, so there is a free version to it. Yeah, but I would need to set it up now and connect everything. And my ad blocker just blocked the site. Mm, why can't stuff just work? Why do problems like this even exist? Sorry if this is really loud right now. Wait, let me just mute myself. Okay, let me do some more sound checks. Maybe it's because my cable. I don't know. My cables tend to be really broken. Man, I'm just twisting and turning my microphone cable around in hopes of changing something, but I don't think this is the problem, if I'm completely honest. That makes no sense. I literally had my microphone in my hand, turning like the stand that it's on around, trying to get it in a different position. I've not turned my microphone 180 degrees away from me. Oh no, that sounds horrible. Um, yeah, there's just nothing I can do right now. I have no idea. Okay, look, I'm not going to waste time now. Today is not the day. I could restart my PC, as you said, but that doesn't change the fact that the problem will probably reoccur at a later point. So I'm not sure if this is... yeah, when I'm far from my mic, but that doesn't work while actually playing. And it would make sound... I don't know. Would make it sound weird, like being far away. Let me just look in OBS sound settings, if I can find something that might work really quick. Oh man. Yeah, okay, look, I'm not going to waste time. I want to keep going, but it's not going to work with a microphone like this. Um, yeah, I don't know. I might need to get a new one before I can continue streaming, which is bad because right now I'm really like into it. Yeah, this is a bad situation. You can hear the rain in the background. Damn. Okay, I said I'm not going to waste time, but I'm doing exactly that right now. Wait, I'll check it on Discord. That's actually a good call. Give me a moment. Oh wait, I'm not in a call on Discord. Do I have a private server that I could join real quick? Yes. Okay. Crisp turned off. So now the problem is also on Discord. It's because of my microphone. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. I could keep going, but being muted. But again, this wouldn't be fun to watch, I think. No, this is so annoying. This is so annoying. But I'm also completely out of things to do right now. I don't see any option that could be a quick fix. But one thing that I could do, I don't have the software installed for my microphone. If it has one, I don't know. Yeah, you might find it okay, but I really don't want it to sound like this. Okay, is there a software? Razer software. I mean, the microphone is also really old at this point, so it might just be that it gave up. After years of being used. And I mean, it did work well for most of those years. Yeah, uh, I don't see one right. I might be blind. But let me change on, well, it doesn't matter anyways right now. Uh, wait, I'm okay now? Give me a moment. Let me check that. Okay, I'm fine now. Seems like it. Yeah, but that's weird. I can't keep going like this. But I don't know what causes the problem. Um, I don't know how to fix it. And it starts again. comes out of nowhere, right? What is it? What is causing the problem? Yeah, I'm guessing there's like a connection problem with the cable. I don't really have any wireless stuff. So yeah, I think the cable might be broken. As all of my cables are. My headset cable is also broken. Just gives up sometimes. Yeah. So it comes back out of nowhere. So obviously, I can't really test it. It came out of nowhere. Wait, let me search that up. I don't know what it is. Um, that doesn't seem to be sound related. What do you mean by that? I don't know what it is, to be honest. Yeah, so I guess plan is get a new microphone. I'm guessing there's something wrong internally with the microphone, or it's the cable, I don't know. But oh, you mean that? I mean the cable is. Oh, what do you mean? I'm lost right now. Um, yeah, I might look at different solutions, and seems like I really need to just get a new mic. I'm thinking. Yeah, I hope so too. Yeah, I'll do some research, maybe find a good mic that I could use, and then probably I don't know. I don't know how quickly I can get a new mic. That's the problem. I don't want to make a dent in my stream schedule for obvious reasons. Um, Man, this is so annoying. Yeah, like finding a microphone to buy isn't the problem. It's yeah, I don't know. But I'll think about that. I'll maybe try to find a solution. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it again next time. Or just hope for the best, that there's no problem. But today doesn't work. And to be honest, my mood is kind of ruined now. Yeah, I'm going to. No, I don't have any old microphones with working headsets with microphones. I usually use something until it's broken, and then I get a new one. So I don't have any that I could use because they're all broken. And my current one, well, you don't want to see the mic on that one. The cable is like half ripped off. Yeah. I would have done that if I could, but I really don't have anything else that is working. I end stream here. Try again next time. I hope that I can find a new microphone quickly enough. I'm really sorry for this thing. I don't know how to call it. Yeah. Yeah, bad things happen. You can't stop it, and it had to happen someday. The mic couldn't possibly last forever. Yeah, okay. So yes, thanks for all your efforts. It really means a lot. And yeah, I'll see what I can do. And then try again on Mondays, I think is the next stream. What day is today? Saturday. Yeah. Next stream is Monday again. Next stream will probably still be with this microphone in hopes that it works. And if not, I will try to find a microphone until that day. But yeah, it might take some time until it arrives. So yeah, we will see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for trying to help. And I will hopefully see you next time. I'm really sorry for this. Yeah. Bye.